so let's see how to replace the spark plugs on this Volvo S80 with a 3.2 liters inline 6 engine. And here we have the coil packs, 6 of them. Alright, so let's see, we're gonna need a 8mm for the coil pack bolt. And one of these hooks to unplug the coil pack. And the coil pack comes out, nice and easy. And now with a 16mm spark plug socket and a long extension, just remove the spark plug. Make sure that it comes out easy and do not force it, because otherwise you risk to break it in there and then you have a new set of problems. It's also important to keep the extension straight. Here it comes. Now the gap has to be around 0.75mm, so make sure that the file goes in easy. And in this situation it's a lot of play in there, so we need to replace the spark plugs. Just place the new spark plug on the socket and slowly tighten it in there by hand. Now just torque it down to 17 Newton meters. Insert back the coil pack and tighten the bolt. Plug back the connector, make sure it clicks, and let's move for the next one. I'm going to actually do this off camera because there is no point to show you the same process again. Alright, so now all the spark plugs are replaced. Now let's torque down the bolts to 9 Newton meters. If you have a torque wrench, just set it back to 0, and that's it. Let's place back the cover. And here we go, job done. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.